Hello friends, and welcome to a new episode of Techno Extreme. First of all, I want to say that it's already been 2 months and I have not posted any video. Actually, I was a bit busy. However, I'll try to post videos from now on. And before wrapping up this video, I want to tell you something that's going to happen in Jan 2019 and CES, that is the Consumer Electronics Show. It's going to held in Jan 2019. The venue will be US. So I'd like to give you some information about what's AMD and Intel, these two big processor manufacturing giant, what they are planning to do. AMD is going to launch their new series of processors. They might launch the new series of processors. So they might launch the third generation of Threadripper as well as the third generation of Ryzen processors. Intel might launch their graphics card. Yep, you're right. They might launch graphics card, and that may happen in CES 2019. Before ending this video, I want to show you the steering wheel stand. So as you can see that I have this Frontech steering wheel which comes with brake and accelerator, and I have created a stand for this. Believe me, if you will buy it from Amazon, Flipkart or any other e-commerce website, it will cost you minimum 8 or 10,000 and even more than that. So this stand is really very cheap, and you need multiple L rod for this so that you can attach the wooden plank together, and you also need some zip tie so that you can mount your steering wheel. And you can see the construction. It's not very professional, but yep, it's useful, so you can play games with the help of this. And friends, if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.